Hello everyone, welcome to QuizGate. Today we will have a quizzing session on India. 10 questions on our beautiful country will be coming one by one on your screen. So without further ado, let's begin. The first question. You see three people on the screen and you have to connect these three personalities from different fields. Moving on to question number 2. X was born into a family in Villakupara near Anchal, about 40 kilometers from Kollam, Kerala in India. His father was a private bus ticket checker and he had to walk 6 kilometers to the nearest school and study in the light of a kerosene lamp as his village had no electricity. In 1995, he graduated from Film and Television Institute of India in Pune. He achieved something in 2009 which only 5 Indians have been able to do so till now. You have to identify who is X and what was his achievement. Moving on to question number 3. You have to identify this young man who gained popularity in later part of his life. Look at the picture carefully and take your guess. Question number 4 is on your screens. You see some places in India have been marked in blue. There is something unique that can be found only in these places. The name of the places are Thirupattur, Barmer, Konkan, Pushkar, Panaji and Kumbakonam. You have to say what unique thing can be found only in these places in India. We will move to question number 5. Pacha, Sattvic and Rajasic. Tadi, type 1, Tamasic type, type 2, wild men, type 3, semi-human divinities. Katti, Rajasic and Tamasic. Kari, demonic females. Minukku, pious females or sages. What are these? You have to give a collective term for all of these activities. Next up, question number 6. J. Jayalalitha once brusquely ended their conversation by saying, "I must say, it wasn't a pleasure talking to you. Namaste." The Indian equivalent of Tim Sebastian, he was president of the Cambridge Union Debating Society in 1977. You have to tell us who is this person. Moving on to question number 7. You see a logo of a company. You have to identify this is the logo of which well-known company. All the hints are in the picture itself. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. When you go home, tell them of us and say, "For your tomorrow, we gave our today." In which historically important town would you find this famous epitaph in remembrance of one of the most famous battles of modern time? The penultimate question of today's quiz, question number 9. You see very famous cricketers, 3 very famous cricketers of India, but the question is, moving away from cricket, what connects these 3 supremely talented individuals? The connection is not related to cricket, and you have to give us that connection in the answers. The last question of tonight's quiz is, the release of a certain movie in the year 1984 led to a surge in the cases of Madras Eye, which ultimately led the makers of the movie to add footage before the film began with prominent actors Prem Nazir, Amitabh Bachchan, Rajinikanth, Chiranjeevi and others explaining a certain hygiene practice. You have to tell which movie is this, a first of its kind in India. And this brings us to the end of today's quizzing. That is all, folks. Hope you have had fun.